Good evening, touring companies. My name is Nicolás Hernando Álvarez Díaz. The letter I made is regarding the climate with address to the company Ecopetrol, since with the climate change that we're suffering part of this due to the contamination that they are collaborating with science they are potential pollutant due to the fact that most of its deposits in the country are located near the sea riders and because of the dangerous substance that discharge into this channel. For this reason, they have contaminating underground and surface of the area with high economic and environment costs. For this reason, the company was required through a formal letter to generate control of the measures in terms to generate great control of the measures in terms of environmental protection process, waste control, deforestation management, and is itself any polluting process that might generate a rate that they are not online obtaining an economic benefits. A possible solution to this problem environmental pollution can be to create an audit committee to the project that are being executed in the same way that together with the territorial authorities we where it carries out its activities they can stop in operation and regulate its issues and terms of environmental protection verify that these are complete with and the corresponding sanctions are generated in case of non-compliance. In the same way that community is involved not online in work-related process but aids but also that it takes its environment considers the nature and habit of space is respected and protected. In the same way, each of us can also contribute a grain of science, recycling, saving water, controlling light consumption, among all the process that they can implement to help reduce environmental pollution. Thank you very much your attention and together we help to the research these environmental problems we have.